Hi, I'm Rich Bucuri from Pointer Bucuri Accident Recovery Attorneys, and today we're going to be breaking down this accident in Albuquerque, New Mexico, which included a flying tire. I'll present the facts, and then I'm going to be asking you for your video verdict. The video starts with our dashcam driver leaving the garage where he states he had just had new tires installed on his vehicle. A few moments later, he notices something terribly wrong. The video camera captures one of his wheels passing his car to the left and into oncoming traffic, where it eventually strikes the hood of an oncoming white sedan. The impact sends the wheel high into the air, where it ricochets off the overhead traffic signal. In this situation, should our dashcam driver be held responsible? Drivers must always use reasonable care to make sure their vehicles are roadworthy. However, if he had just had his car serviced at a reputable business, then shouldn't the business be responsible instead of him? Attorneys like me make the arguments, but it's juries consisting of citizens like you that dispense justice. Was the dashcam driver at fault at all in this case? Leave us your video verdict in the comments below, and make sure you tell us what you considered in your deliberations. Also, if you find this video informative, please make sure you like and subscribe our channel, where we constantly offer fresh and informative content about accident and injury claims. Do you have a video that you would like us to break down in our next video verdict segment? Click our link below and visit our webpage where you can upload your video and other useful information about the accident you may have had. If we use your video in one of our video verdict segments, we'll send you a $50 Amazon gift card. Also, please watch and comment on our other video verdict segments. And remember, if you're hurt in a car, call PBAR. Our contingency fees start at 25%. Compare that to 33 or even 40% from some of our competitors. I'm Attorney Rich Bucuri, and I'll see you next time on Video Verdict.